On this part, you'll learn how to pass data from the login form to the authentication login action. In here, the first thing that we need to do is we just need to go to the Solution Explorer, and then let us just go to the authentication controller. And in here, we have one action that is going to be used to render the login form. And we also have another action that is going to be used to handle the login request. We have also created the login VM. So I'll just right click and then go to definition. You can see it does have the email address and also the password property. Now let us go to the view. In here, go to views and then authentication and then login.c#html. And we have already defined the model. Down here, we have also defined the ASP4 email address and also the ASP4 for the password. We have some code in here from the previous part. So what I'll do is I'll just comment out this code. I'll just remove it completely. And then I'm going to remove the script part as well. I'm going to enable this button. And as you can see, this button does have the type submit, which means that whenever we click this button, we are going to receive or we are going to send a request to the authentication login submitted action. And this action is going to have as a model the login VM. Let us go to the controller. And in here, whenever the login is successful, we want to redirect to action. And it's going to be the first parameter, the action name. It's going to be index. And the second one is going to be the controller name, the home controller. Let us save the changes. I'll put a breakpoint and run this project. In here, I'll just go to the login view. And here I'm just going to type Ervis, and then the password is going to be 1234. And I click the login button. You can see that in here we get an error which says that please include @ in the email address. So @ let's say Trupia. And that is just a default front-end validation provided by HTML. But you can see that the email address is still not a valid one. Then I'll click login. You can see that we reached the breakpoint. If I hover on the login VM, I have the email address and the password. So you can see that the passing of data is set up correctly. On the next part, you'll learn how to add some data validations, like you need to check if the password, for example, is of certain length. And you can also check if the email address is a valid one. So, see you on the next one.